Hello everyone, Louis here. Hey, I just wanted to talk about something that actually bothered me today. I think I spent a long time on this trying to get it worked out. I went over and I bought myself a shower head. That's a Kohler Aquifer 3 spray shower head with a filter and everything. Felt like I should change what was there since we just got a new home. But when I installed it and I turned it on, this happened. Now, you don't want to take a shower in that or like that. Let me put it that way. So, I took everything out, disassembled it, took it out, took everything, started picking out the parts. Couldn't find anything. Went into the manual, looked at it. There was nothing in the manual that I could see. Now, I said I should just go sit down, think about it, and see if, there's something that I could do differently from what I've been doing so far. So, when I thought about it, I came over and I took this out. Now, this looks pretty normal. There used to be a sealant over here, so I thought that was all that you had to take out. But no, there is this part. Just a second. There is this part right here. You see the top? I'm gonna take that out. If it's gonna come out, yeah. See that? Magic. Watch this. I'll take that back and put it in. See that? Put it in. And it flows without any obstruction. There is nothing in the manual about that little seal, that little thing that's hanging there. There's nothing about that on there. There's everything else. So this is to help somebody, because the time that I spent doing this, it's really not for, I really don't want anyone to do that. Share please, and you can help someone. You never know who you're going to help today. But I think this is going to be helpful because I looked at it all over YouTube. I couldn't find anything. So you guys have a wonderful day and keep helping each other. Peace out.